quick guide. Hey everyone, want to delete images from your ChatGPT library? Super simple, let me show you exactly how right now. Let's go. First, open ChatGPT on your phone or desktop and log into your account. On mobile, tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select My Library from the menu. You will see all your saved and generated images stored right there. Find the image you want to delete, press and hold on mobile to bring up the Options menu, then tap Delete. Confirm the deletion and it is gone instantly. On desktop, go to chat.com, click your profile icon and select My Library. Hover over the image you want to remove. Click the three-dot menu icon that appears and select Delete. Hit Confirm and it is removed from your library immediately. If you want to delete multiple images at once, look for the Select option at the top of the library, tap or click each image you want to remove, and then hit Delete all selected in one go. Quick and clean, and that is it. Your ChatGPT image library is now clean and organized exactly the way you want it. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Clipboard quick recap. Platform action. Mobile profile right arrow My Library right arrow hold image right arrow delete. Desktop profile right arrow My Library right arrow three dots right arrow delete. Bulk delete select multiple right arrow delete. All selected.